My name is Max Maputi, the Managing Director of Flatfoot Engineering. Today we are at Live Hospital St. Dominic's in East London to launch or hand over our installed hot water chlorifier or hot water storage vessels that was manufactured by our company in Port Elizabeth branch. This hot water storage vessel is supplying hot water into this hospital, and this is manufactured in the Eastern Cape. High quality is not compromised. Please allow me to take you to the plant room so that I can show you what we have manufactured, what we have produced, and how it works, and what kind of quality of the work we have done. These are the new tanks that we've just manufactured. Both of them are 2,000 liters tank. They are still manufactured. You've got boiler number 1 and you've got boiler number 2. What happens on these tanks, the cold water comes in from here. It goes into the tank. Once it gets into this tank, the cold water gets heated with these elements. These elements are 12 kilowatts each, and these elements are basically heating up the water. It is actually designed at 600 kPa, and also your test pressure is designed at 750 kPa, and your operating pressure is 600 kPa. Basically, these units are called hot water storage vessels, and this hot water then get reticulated into these pipes that are above us. Once they get into the hospital, there's also a return line that goes back into this tank so that we can ensure that the water is always hot all the time. We have circulation pumps that are behind these tanks. The reason why we're having circulation pumps is to ensure that the water circulates around the pipes, to ensure that at every time when you open your tank, you got hot water. There is no time where you have to wait for hot water. Then that water circulates in these tanks. And we have 2 booster pumps. Those booster pumps, if the water from the municipality doesn't have pressure, the booster pumps will give you enough pressure so that when you open the tank, you have enough pressure. These control panels were designed by Flatfoot. It operates the pumps and everything and the elements.